Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up email notifications in Smartsheet. All right, so first off, log into your Smartsheet account. And once you're in here, go to the bottom left and click on your profile. Okay, and here, go ahead and click on Personal Settings. Click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Notifications. And here, you can now go ahead and configure how you want to be notified of activity from Smartsheet. Okay. If you want to receive just emails, you can go ahead and disable mobile push if you have the Smartsheet mobile app. Okay. Or if you want to as well, if you don't want to receive any emails, but receive mobile push notifications, just enable the tick boxes in this section. Okay. Now, if you have other messaging apps, when you click on the information icon right here, it says, when enabled, you will receive Smartsheet's request, notifications, and reminder directly within the messaging app. You can go ahead and click on Manage. Save your changes for now. Now, if you want to use these options, just make sure that you have the upgraded version. Okay. You can just click on Info right here and follow simple prompts. Okay. Now, going back, I'm going to close this one. I'm going to go back to our personal settings and notifications. And here, let's say I just wanted to receive mobile push notifications. Okay. If you have the Smartsheet mobile app. Okay. If not, if you don't have the mobile app, just enable emails. And if you don't want emails as well, you can disable all notifications in here. Also, if you want to, you got to include my changes in sheet notifications. Okay. You can tick on it and you will receive this specific notification as well. And once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on Save. I'm actually going to disable all, save, and once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.